Hello. For the week 3 assignment, I finally able to put some additional adjustment based on the feedback that you provided. So I thank you so much for that. And on the VS Code, I updated this swagger.json, and I also update the users. I just removed something that I can able to populate some of the things. So as you can see, previously the get all the users doesn't work, and actually I can even get one user by ID as well. So this is the user by ID, and if I need the contacts also, it's gonna giving you um, the information that you wanted. And actually I'm gonna need a new token, because in order for me uh, to be able to get some IDs, I will be able to I'm gonna have to use that. So let me erase all of those parts. Maybe let me just put a new one. Okay, API docs. Let me see here. Okay, and let's try for the token now. We're gonna have of Google. Okay, let me see. Here it is. So that's the new token that I'm just getting. So as you can see, when I go to the request, so if I send this, it's gonna work. And if I send get user by ID, this also works. And if I wanted to create a new user, so since the email was already used, I'm gonna have to just remove maybe one later, and it should be okay now to work. This is what I got. And also, if I wanted to get update the user, so now it's requesting to put a new token. Let me see if we can get this updated. So locally I was able to get this work. Hopefully, okay, it's not. Let me try. Hopefully we get the white token in it. Okay. Oh no. Okay, what I'm gonna do is to save. Okay, let's see if we can update the user. Okay, there we go. Let me put that down a little bit. Let me try again. Okay, yeah, so user update successfully. So I get a new token, and I put that in. If I wanna erase or delete these, I can just, so I'm gonna have to use again a fresh new token. Okay, let's see if we can get this deleted. User not found. Okay, probably if the user not found, let me check these. And we're gonna try again one more time. Okay, user not found. So let me just replace the user ID, and if we can get these deleted. Okay, user deleted successfully. So this is locally how that works, and I already get the I already get this one. Maybe I'm gonna have to just send out these things. Okay, initial Okay, maybe initial check-in as I used to put for project 2 week 03. Okay, let me just push that on you to GitHub. And we're gonna deploy the latest one. Just let for a few moments. By the way, I have to check one more thing. Okay, these are good. Okay. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. One more second. Okay, so it looks like we still need one more second. Okay, by the way, so this is the API. So get, post, put, delete. Okay, so those are the requirements. Okay, so the server is live, and let's check if some things are okay. So by default we still have the hello world displayed, and let me put users or API. Okay, so let me delete that. Okay, so we still have the API, and let me go ahead and apply the token and see what we got. So let me authorize that here. May close get, try, execute. So we get all the users displayed, and we would like, if we would like to create a new user, let me see if that works. Okay, so for creating a new user, so this is basically work on the VS Code, but if we want to get for example user by ID, let me try this one. Okay, let me copy that. We're gonna try this, execute. So this works. So if we would like to update user, let's see if that works also. Okay, those this needs some, probably few things. And if we wanted to delete, and if we would like to get also all the contacts, okay, we get that. And if we would like to create a new contact, so I'm not sure yet about this, but this is the last part of the project, what I've done so far, and hopefully I respond to the feedback provided to be able to get another grade. I thank you so much.